Marine technical limits deliver well-planned and executed integrity and repair management solutions for FPSOs and marine structures in a safe, efficient, and cost-effective way. Over the last 20 years, we've developed and refined our safe system of work, a fully integrated ventilation and power distribution system used for safe confined space entry and work scope management. The traditional approach to the ventilation of confined hull spaces is to use simple pneumatic air blowers positioned at open tank hatches to blow air from the main deck into the space. When considering the main deck of an FPSO is usually classed as a Zone 1 or Zone 2 hazardous area, with large amounts of production equipment above the main deck, this can create an opportunity for an escalation of a major accident hazard. In the event of a hydrocarbon gas release, these blowers may not automatically shut down, resulting in the hazardous substances being blown into the space. When considering the personnel working within the confined space may be working at height, or performing naked flame hot works, the consequence of introducing this gas into the ventilation air is clear. Our ATEX certified safe system of work equipment has been developed to mitigate this risk. Using electric fans with inline damper skids, air is drawn from a non-hazardous area, typically from an overboard location, and continually monitored for the presence of smoke and gas. Using disposable in-tank ducting, the ventilation air is blown down to the lower parts of the tank, improving in-tank air changes and ensuring fresh air is reaching the work sites. The safe system of work provides protection to the tank ventilation air from any potential topsides hydrocarbon gas releases or fires without the need for manual intervention. In the event of a major subsea gas release, resulting in a large and rapid release of gas to a typically safe overboard area, for example from a riser failure, the safe system of work takes executive actions to shut down the ventilation fans and close the dampers automatically. Unsafe air is therefore prevented from reaching the work site. Further to this, the system will alert the standby person that the system has detected an unsafe condition via a visual and audible alarm, and will automatically isolate all power supplies to any hot work equipment being used within the tank. This system has been designed specifically for its purpose, and is a true step change in confined space workscope safety management.